Okay, so I'm gonna make this gear video really quick. Let's go over what I have for this trip. It's supposed to be getting down to the 20s earlier tonight. That's Fahrenheit, so it's like 10, 12 degrees below freezing. Right now it's really warm, it's like 40s. But temps are supposed to absolutely plummet tonight. So I have some winter gear with me. We'll go over real quick. First off is a haversack I designed, this fiber haversack. Inside of it I have long johns. I got clothes. I got long johns, extra pair of oh, this is the polypropylene ones, you know, like the military style ECWS. And I've got my my winter gloves, Gore-Tex gloves. They're insulated and warm. And extra pair of socks, extra pair of underwear, smart wool. That's what I have inside my haversack. And I carry that inside my bag. I already opened up my bag to make things easier. Okay, Grandpa's Bruck's 24-inch axe, designed by Ray Mears. Adventure Sworn buck saw. This is the Cherry model. This is a gun sock I use for it. This is a wool sweater that the History Channel bought for me, which is kind of them. Appreciate it. I got a bunch of pouches. So I have 4 pouches. I have 2. It's all Kedora. I have them on my shop, my store, right? This one is like a bow drill kit, and this is has a pipe in it, smoking kit. This is my tinder bag. I use this for food, tinder, everything. This is my food pouch, my provisions. So I like to use those pouches, keep everything organized, and they're, you know, they're like waterproof and wear resistant. You know, it's a military fabric. I've got Equinox egret. This is not an 8x10, it's a 10x12. So I have an extra foot on all sides, right, from my ridgeline. On the outside, I have 2 canteens of water. I have wild water source near me, so I'm gonna be able to boil water. But I just have a clean canteen with a glacier mug with handles that I custom designed at a coat hanger. And I have a military canteen, kidney style. And inside this outside pouch, I have an onion, a yellow onion, and some extra paracord. I like to carry some. And there's another glacier cup in there just holding the paracord and the onion. I like to use 2 cups in camp. I use one like a little pot. I warm up my tea in that and I pour it into the other one, because then I can drink straight away out of the other cup, because the other cup is cool and the other one is scorching hot. I'll burn my lips. Okay, on the outside pouch, oh, this is a Kelty Super Tioga. I believe it was the last pack that Dick Kelty designed. I believe he was in a consulting position with Kelty after he sold the company. Could be wrong on that, but I believe so. I have my phone. I have an Anchor battery, so I can charge my phone like 4 times while I'm out here. That's key. It's charging right now. I have my first aid kit. I have some wooden ware that I've made. My keys. Spatula that a dog chewed up at my last camp out. Spoon. Fork. And what do you call that? A ladle. So scoop some beans and stuff. And I also have my plank in there. Just a piece of firewood that I worked on a little bit. stuff back in there. Alright, at the bottom of the pack, I have Native Survival Moisture Barrier, which goes, I lay it on the ground. I can lay right on, like it's been raining and stuff, the ground's all wet and nasty right now. I can just lay this down on anything, thorns, water, whatever, snow. I lay this down, and then I put my my bedroll, my sleeping bag, my wool blanket right on top of it. And it gives me a waterproof barrier from the snow, from the mud, from whatever I'm laying in. I don't have to worry about it. Bam, just dry, rugged, you know, sheet to lay on. Inside there is my Native Survival wool bedroll, 90% wool. On the far side of the ruck, there's a big pocket down the side. In here, I have a bunch of food. This is sock for my axe. Put my axe right in here. This is for bow drill. It's just a bow, you know. I have a bag of ½ pound of hamburger, and I have butter. Then I have a bag of deer liver, bunch of deer liver, which I double bagged. As you can see, it's starting to bleed because it's not frozen anymore, so right on. That's why it's double bagged. I have a container of milk, and I have a couple cans of beans. Chuck this all back in there. Keep it off the ground so critters don't get at it. Spiders and whatever. That's I got that from my pep. That was hunted this year. That was a couple weeks ago. Okay, inside the top flap, this bag. There's a pocket inside here. Deodorant. I have a bag because when it gets really cold, so my water doesn't freeze, I put my canteen inside this bag and put it inside my sleeping bag. After I put hot water in it, I warm up water and fill it up. I put it inside my sleeping bag. And then also inside here, I have the rope I use to hang this up on trees if I choose to do so. I'm not doing that right now. And I have my headlamp and extra batteries. Yeah, that's it. Alright. Inside my ruck, I have my waterproof New Testament. Make sure you guys can see. And I have toilet paper. And a billy can. With 2 bandanas and another can of beans. I also have a large iron frying pan, because I can. Why not? I have my camp pillow, perfect for my sleeping bag. And then at the bottom is my sleeping bag, which weighs a ton because it's stuck in my bag. This is a -30 bag by Cabela's called the Striker. They don't make it anymore. I got it on clearance for $100 when it should have been like $300. So I lucked out. And after I bought it on their website, it went out of stock. Isn't that cool? Got the last one from the warehouse. That's all she wrote. That's my kit. Alright guys and gals, YouTube, hope you enjoyed this kit video. Winter overnight, because right now it's like fall, 40, and tonight should be 20 degrees, I think. So that's why I have some winter kit with me. My -30 bag, my wool bedroll, and my wool sweater. Oh, I also have, let me forget to tell you, my North Face jacket, North Face sweater, and I have a hat that I've sold on my shop for like 5 years. I just stopped recently. So I switched over. My shop is being run by Etsy now, so I have to kind of change some of my products. This is military Department of Defense hat. And I just have like military fingerless gloves. So just, you know, winter stuff. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this. Get a little peek into the gear that I use to sleep outside. Later.